Hey, this is Mark. Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're talking about annual sales calendar planning, plus when you should start preparing. And in this resource, you'll get a pre-launch checklist for every sale that you plan to do for your e-commerce brand. So let's dive in. Introduction. So why should you even look at this guide? So if you're reading this, chances are you're juggling countless tasks to grow your online store. And trust me, I've been in your shoes. The pressure to boost sales, the stress of planning promotions, and the overwhelming feeling of not knowing where to start, it's all too familiar. And here's the thing, effective sales planning isn't just important, it's essential for your e-commerce success. Without a strategic approach to your annual sales calendar and pre-launch preparations, you're leaving money on the table and missing out on massive growth opportunities. So what is at stake? So if you ignore proper sales planning, what it can lead to is missed revenue opportunities, overlooking key sales periods, meaning losing out on potential profits, last minute scrambling. Without a plan, you'll find yourself rushing to prepare, leading to many mistakes when you're actually launching. Ineffective campaigns. So poorly timed or uncoordinated sales can harm a brand's reputation. And also there's increased stress and burnout for you yourself as the founder, operator, or marketing manager. So this consistent reactive approach takes a toll on you and your business, preventing you from performing at your 100%. So how to use this guide? This guide is broken down into actionable steps that even someone new to e-commerce can follow. And by the end, you'll have a clear roadmap on planning your annual sales calendar effectively, knowing exactly where to start preparing for each sale, and incorporating a comprehensive pre-launch strategy for every sale. So part 2, what you should do. So first, you want to create a strategic annual sales calendar. So first, you want to start by identifying all key sales dates and events relevant to your niche. So you want to research global and local events, holiday, industry-specific events, and seasonal trends that aligns with your product and services. So identifying key dates. So some global shopping events that everybody knows is New Year's Eve, Valentine's Day, Easter, Mother's Day, Father's Day, maybe back to school season, Halloween, everyone's favorite, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas, and the holiday seasons. So that's just some global events to note. You definitely can go to a website like Holiday Insights where you can just find every major holiday. Next, we have seasonal trends, right? So that can include things like spring sales, summer promotions, fall deals, winter offers. So again, you can go to Holiday Insights to see, what kind of daily holidays there are in between these months. And then there's niche specific dates. That could be something like Earth Day, National Pet Day, industry specific events. So what you can do here is go to Holiday Insights, go to other holidays. You have food holidays, birthdays, days in history, holiday funds, things like that. And honestly, you can even create your own day. So just make a brand specific day just for your brand. And that would just basically help you guys create a very personalized event for your brand, for your email subscribers, for your customers, etc. Now that you have all your events, what you want to do is map out promotions. So you want to assign themes and promotion ideas with each date and ensure there's a balanced spread of sales throughout the year. Then you want to determine preparation timeline. So for each planned sales, you want to set a specific date for when the preparation process starts. So work backwards from the sales date to allocate sufficient time for content creation, marketing strategy, inventory management, and logistical considerations. Action step for this, you want to set preparation start dates. So major events, you want to start 2 to 3 months in advance. Let's say you're planning for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, you can start planning for this early in September. And then minor holidays, you can start anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks in advance. So for example, you can start planning for Valentine's Day in early July. So to help you with this, create a timeline for this. So you can use tools like Google Calendar or Trello to schedule tasks and then set reminders for these important milestones. Then you want to develop a compelling offer. Craft irresistible promotions that align with your business goals and resonate with your target audience. So there's different types of offers to consider. So you can do something like discount, so percentage off or dollar amount. Bundles, which will be combined related products at a discounted price, limited time deals, so you can do something like flash deal lasting 24 hours, Exclusive products, limited edition items available only during the sale. Then you can even explore something like free gifts, which would be a complimentary item with a purchase over a certain amount. So you can go here to find 40 discounts for e-commerce and promotion ideas for inspiration. And then you want to align your offers with your business objectives. So whether that's to increase average order value, clear out any old inventory, attract new customers, or encourage repeat purchases. And 4, you want to implement a pre-launch checklist. So create a detailed step-by-step plan to ensure each sale runs smoothly. And this checklist pretty much covers all aspects from website optimization to email marketing. So checklist components: 4 to 6 weeks before the sale, you want to plan your marketing campaigns, coordinate with the suppliers, and design promotional materials. 2 to 3 weeks before the sale, you want to set up your marketing channels and optimize your website. So if you need a banner for your sale, remember to add that. So 1 week before the sale, you want to do quality assurance and build anticipation. Launch day, activate your campaigns and monitor them in real time. And then during the sale, you want to engage with your customers and optimize anything that's needed. Number 5 is analyze and optimize post-sale. So after each sale, conduct a thorough review of this performance. So collect the data, so what you want to do here is collect the data, which includes sales figures, marketing metrics, website analytics, evaluate performance. So identify your top performers and so document insights, note what is successful and areas that can be improved. And then using that data, you want to adjust future strategies to update your sales calendar and refine your marketing tactics. Why you should do this? Why should you have an annual sales calendar planning so you can start preparing for these sales periods? Number 1 is you want to stay ahead of the competition. So creating a strategic annual sales calendar allows you to plan in advance, ensuring you're not scrambling when key dates approaches. So look, customers have limited funds. They either spend with you or they spend somewhere else, and allows you to maximize revenue opportunities. By capitalizing on peak shopping periods, you tap into times when customers are most ready to buy. So over 50% of Americans plan to spend over $500 during holiday seasons. 29% of Americans say they plan to spend more on holiday season shopping than last year. So this will be the perfect time to get people to buy from your brand. So when you plan these sales, you are able to optimize resource allocation. So effective planning allows you to manage your budget, inventory, and marketing efforts effectively. So let's say you have a $100K budget, $50K will go to ads, $30K for inventory, $20K for the team. And you're only able to do this if you're able to plan ahead and forecast all of this. And again, this helps you reduce stress. So eliminate last minute panics, reduces stress and burnout, allowing you to focus on execution. So question for you, would you be stressed if you can announce a sale and then just get 140K in orders? Probably not, right? And also planning these sales out will help you enhance customer engagement. So developing compelling offers increases customer engagement and helps you stand out in a crowded marketplace. Also, improvement in future campaigns. So analyze and optimize post-sale allows you to apply insights to future campaigns, continually refining your approach. Part 4 would be a general pre-launch checklist for every sale. 8 to 10 weeks before the sale, you want to focus on planning and strategy. So define your sales objectives and KPIs, set any clear goals, identify target audience segments, analyze customer data for personalized marketing, decide on promotion and offers to do, determine the discount, bundles, and special deals. And then you want to coordinate with your suppliers, confirm inventory levels, and reorder stock if necessary. 6 to 8 weeks before the sale, you want to do content creation. So design promotional graphics and banners, create visuals for the website, emails, and social media, and write copy for your marketing materials. Develop the compelling product description, craft promotional messaging. And then here's where you want to prepare email sequences in Klaviyo. So you want to draft your teasers, launch announcements, and reminder emails. And then you'll have your website preparation on Shopify. And that's where you will update your product listing, ensure accurate descriptions and high quality images. And then you want to create dedicated landing pages. 4 to 6 weeks before the sale, you want to have your marketing set up. So set up your email campaigns in Klaviyo, schedule social media posts, configure paid advertising campaigns, and again, website testing, optimize site speed, ensure mobile responsiveness on both devices and browsers, and then you want to test your navigation and checkout processes. So 2 to 4 weeks before the sale, you want to do your final preparation. Conduct quality assurance checks, train customer service staff, confirm logistics and shipping details, and then for social media engagement, you want to begin your teaser campaigns and collaborate with any influencers. 1 week before the sale, you want to know if you're launch ready. So activate and schedule email campaigns in Klaviyo's, and you want to double check send times and recipient lists. Update websites with promotional materials, perform end-to-end purchasing tests, and then on social media, you want to increase your posting frequency and engage actively with your audience. And on launch day, you pretty much just go live and you ensure all promotions are active on Shopify, send out launch emails via Klaviyo, and activate any paid ad campaigns. And then you want to monitor performance here as well. So monitor website analytics, provide any prompt customer support. And then during the sale, this is where you do ongoing management. So send any reminder emails, adjust marketing efforts based on performance, monitor inventory levels, and then in social media, respond to customer inquiries, and then provide real-time updates. So post-sale, what you want to do here is do any follow-up. So sending thank you emails, request customer reviews, update website to reflect the end of sale, data analytics, analyze sales and marketing metrics, gather customer insights, and then you want to have a team debrief. So discuss successes and area for improvement. So something you can do here is just honestly just hold a team meeting. And then just some additional tips is personalization, add urgency and scarcity, do any cross-selling and upselling. And also you want to make sure everything is legal. And then this is the annual sales calendar for 2025. So make sure you download the doc to get this. And this is the annual sales calendar for the year of 2025. So make sure you download the resource in order to get a copy of this document. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is where you can find me, X, LinkedIn, YouTube, or you can shoot me an email. We contractually guarantee $50K to $500K per month in email revenue within 60 days. These are your next steps. So to make the most out of these strategies, 1, you want to schedule a strategy session. So book a call with us to discuss how we can help you implement these tactics effectively. And then 2, get a free email audit. So what we'll do here is review your current Klaviyo account and then provide you any actionable feedback. So if you do need help with this, make sure to book a call. And that's pretty much it.